Let's do what's in my bag, but this time we're gonna go through my sister's bag. I saw this other girl on here at JoeCon. She's funny, really amazing. Go check out the TikTok. Credits to her. Goes through all of her sister's bags every time they visit home. My sister is currently visiting home, so I'm gonna go through it. Let's go through it. Let's go through it. Let's go through it. Okay, so it's a little reblock from Saint Laurent. I think I did a video about. I got this for her when I was in Saint Laurent. When I was in Saint Laurent, when I was in France. Okay, first of all, hair. Ew. More hair. Stain. I already stained it. White. She loves white, so everything goes white. Hair clip. Okay. Glare. So. That's for like our childhood. Love it. Just gonna make the sound. Oversized mom jean pants. Can I borrow these? Weed free. Weed free. All rolled up. Nice. Ready for me. Okay. More hotel clips. What? Club Monaco. White t-shirt. This is not very exciting, you guys. Sock. You have clothes here. Why are you wearing? Okay. We're not trying those. A Batman water bottle. Gotta stay hydrated. Does that mean we just kissed? Oh, good. Ooh. Oh, this. This is really good. I actually used this last time. No, actually, no, we did just kiss, right? Oh, well, whatever. Computer. Lame. Window. Also lame. She loves to read. Charger. Ooh. This is also my cardboard I gave her a long time ago. Some euros in here. Nope. These are Watcha. Sorry, I don't know where those are from, but more cards. Okay. Nothing to take out of there. Okay. Borrowing these two.